welcome to Cooking with Ryan, where today I'm going to teach you how to make Ryan's super famous peanut butter and jelly. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Ryan's very famous peanut butter and jelly that even your dog will like. Now, you might be wondering, is peanut butter and jelly, can everybody make the peanut butter and jelly? And to that I say, no sir, only one person can make Ryan's super famous peanut butter and jelly, and by golly, that's Ryan and me. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get 2 pieces of bread. Doesn't matter what kind of bread I have. After you get your bread, you're gonna want to get your peanut butter. And right now you're probably thinking, why does this peanut butter not have any label on it? And well, it doesn't have a label on it because if this video ever goes viral, I don't want Jif, the peanut butter company, to sue me. This is Jif peanut butter. I guess my tripod broke, so I have to do some of this handheld. I hope you guys forgive me for that. But after you get your Jif peanut butter, what you're going to want to do is take off the lid and then get a butter knife out and scoop out the peanut butter and put it on one side of the bread. Now I don't have a butter knife, but I do have this pair of scissors, so that should do the trick. So yeah, you're just going to want to stick your scissor into the peanut butter and just go ahead and get as much as you can. That wasn't very much, and then you just go ahead and you spread it onto the bread like that, and try not to fuck up the other piece of bread. And what's interesting about this is that back in 1776, our founding fathers actually put together a list of document that would actually declare our independence from Britain. A lot of people don't know that, but we actually used to be a colony of Great Britain, and our forefathers actually committed treason by signing this document, and it started an all-out war. So after you spread the peanut butter on, you're going to want to get, for the next part of Ryan's super famous peanut butter and jelly, you're going to want to get out your jelly. I don't have any jelly, but I have this marinara sauce that I got from Pizza Hut. So we're just going to use that. It should be a fine substitute. Okay. So next you're going to want to put your scissor and spread your scissor just like you did the peanut butter, but with marinara sauce. So just go ahead and scoop that in there and just spread it on. After you finish spreading your marinara sauce, or if you followed my instructions, it would be jelly. It should look like that, and wow, does that look ever tasty? Okay, so let's go ahead and put one piece of bread on top of the other one. You always put the right side of the bread onto the left side, because God likes right-handed people, and the right should always be on top of the left. Okay, so now that we've crafted our sandwich, the only logical thing to do next is to eat it. So just bite in and bon appetit, am I right? Scrumptious. Oh. Yeah, so it actually didn't turn out that great with marinara sauce instead of jelly, so I'm just using some leftover pizza. But thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Cooking with Ryan. I hope you enjoy my super famous